कैसे हो? बढ़िया। ओके, तो आज हम लोग बात करेंगे, ये दिस इज द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, दैट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ कैटलिस्ट ऑन रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस. Here we will see only the qualitative approach to explain the effect of catalyst. Okay, what is catalyst? You all know catalyst means here positive catalyst. And what is positive catalyst? Catalyst Catalysts are the substances which increase the rate of reaction by taking part in the reaction but remain unchanged after the completion of reaction. Catalyst क्या है बेटा? जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस को बढ़ा देता है और रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट भी करता है, लेकिन रिएक्शन होने के बाद वो जस का तस रह जाता है. जैसे डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ पोटासियम क्लोराइड. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पोटासियम क्लोराइड? KClO3. When it is heated, it decomposes to give KCl and O2. Okay, this reaction is slow, but if you use here a catalyst MnO2 pyrolusite, which is black in color, MnO2, the rate of reactions increases. Now the question is, how the rate of reactions increases? See, catalyst increases the rate of reactions by lowering the value of activation energy. रिएक्शंस के लिए जो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी चाहिए, उस एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी का वैल्यू को क्या कर देता है? कम कर देता है. एंड देयरफॉर मोर नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन क्रॉस द एनर्जी बैरियर. राइट, you can see here we have taken two cases, A plus B. These are reactants. You know, when the activation energy is supplied, it forms an activated complex, and activated complex decomposes to form product P plus Q. This is an exothermic reaction, delta H is negative, and this is the reactions profile, okay, of this reaction. यहाँ ब्लू कलर से हम शो किए हैं, ब्लू लाइन जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इस रिएक्शंस प्रोफाइल को, प्रोग्रेस ऑफ दिस रिएक्शंस. ठीक है, ये A प्लस बी इसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा है एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी देने पे. कितना एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी? EA के बराबर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी देते हैं. एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाता है, ये अनस्टेबल है, इट डिकम्पोजेस टू फॉर्म प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, बट इफ यू यूज अ कैटलिस्ट C, the catalyst will take part in the reactions. When the activated complex will be formed, we can see here the participation of C also, catalyst also. But after the completion of reactions, the C remain unchanged. AB is converted into P plus Q. Okay. In this case, the reactions profile is shown here by red ink. Okay. This curve represents the, which is shown by red ink. This represents the progress of reactions. Okay. Path followed by the reaction in presence of catalyst. In presence of catalyst means with catalyst. With catalyst. Blue curve represents without catalyst. You can see here, this is a graph between the energy of reactant and the reactions coordinate. Reaction coordinate represents the progress of reactions. Okay. The path followed by these two reactions are different. In the first case, the activation energy is more, while in the other case, activation energy is less. Therefore, in second case, more number of molecules can cross the energy barrier per second. Thus, the presence of catalyst lowers the energy barrier, and the reactions follow the new alternate path, which requires less activation energy. Okay, and we know that lower the activation energy, faster is the reaction, because more reactant molecules can cross the energy barrier and change into product. Is it clear? Okay, so how the catalyst acts? It lowers the value of activation energy. Okay, catalyst increases, you may write, catalyst increases the rate of reaction by lowering the value of activation energy for the reaction. Okay, catalyst increases rate of reaction by lowering the value of activation energy. Okay, EA means activation energy, and we know lower the activation energy, faster the reaction. Why? Because more reactant molecules can cross the energy barrier per second. ओके, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मॉलिक्यूल क्या होगा, रिएक्टेंट का पर सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा, इसीलिए रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस क्या हो जाएगा, आपको इंक्रीज कर जाएगा. इज इट ओके? ओके, now what are the characteristics of the catalyst? So in the next video we will discuss some important characteristics of the catalyst.